5 Goal Setting Tips for 2021. Goals allow you to control the direction of change in your favor. Brian Tracy. 2020 was a year of unknowns, extreme challenges, and taking inventory of what's most important to you. Your life may have been put on hold in a lot of ways, and you've watched your goals change, but you still have your eyes on the prize. Now, another year is on the horizon, and as you start to think about your New Year's resolutions for 2021, your goals will become clearer. Use these goal-setting tips to help you reach new heights in the coming year. First, evaluate your progress. Before you look forward, you need to look back. Ask yourself, what have you accomplished this year? What goals did you actually achieve that seemed so far out of reach just a year ago? What were the biggest and smallest milestones that you celebrated this year? Each and every step you took brought you that much closer to your biggest goals. While productivity is qualitative, progress can be quantitative. Having measurable ways to track how much progress you have made allows you to see just how much every task adds up in the long run. Acknowledging your progress gives you a chance to reflect on areas where you've improved. This practice boosts your confidence, offers clarity, and uses positive reinforcement, which ultimately leads to productivity. In order to perform better and reach your goals, you have to evaluate the ones you've already accomplished. The next step is to recognize your setbacks. With any long-term visions, you are bound to have setbacks, and this year may have been full of them. The setbacks you experienced in 2020 might have felt out of your control, but it's still important to recognize them and how they affect your long-term success. Ask yourself these questions. What were my biggest challenges this year? What goal-setting tips did I use to face these challenges? How can having SMART goals for 2021 help me to overcome these setbacks? Sometimes, what seems like a setback might just be a chance to get creative and explore different routes to your goals. When it comes to setting goals, creativity is key to adaptation. Once you've analyzed what set you back last year, adapt to your current reality. If we have learned anything in 2020, it's how to adapt to the present. The ability to adapt is necessary in every field, making it an incredibly valuable trait. While determining your goals for 2021, you have to look at your current reality. Your goals must fit with your long-term aspirations while being realistic about how they fit into your present life. Goal Setting Tips 101 will tell you to challenge yourself, but make sure your goals are actually attainable within a reasonable time frame. Adaptation also involves knowing how to maximize your productivity in any given situation. Reaching your goals in 2021 may come down to implementing key productivity tips like completing a task once you start it and writing down a to-do list every day. How will your goals for the next year reflect where you are now? Next, make sure your goals are SMART, S-M-A-R-T. It's important to have a system in place that shows you how to strategically set goals. Having SMART goals will help you zero in on what's important to you and increase your chances of success. SMART goals can be used to improve both your personal and professional life. So what makes them SMART goals? Number 1, they are specific, not ambiguous. The more concise, the better. Number 2, they are measurable or able to be evaluated. Number 3, they are challenging but achievable. Number 4, they are relevant and align with your long-term plan. And finally, number 5, they are time-bound to a certain deadline. Learning about SMART goals and the principles of goal-setting theory will help you get clear and sure about what you want to achieve in 2021. And finally, the last tip for today is make sure you write down your goals. You probably have some ideas floating around in your head by now, but writing them down is the first step in putting them into action. Write down a specific goal and check that it matches each criteria within the SMART acronym. Having a clear organization system like Brian's SMART Goals template will help you analyze your goals,